Hello student, welcome once again. As we know that we have seen that each and every sound is different, but how do we distinguish between these sounds? For example, sound of musical instruments are different from the sound produced by the transportation, traffic on road, and the sound of music. So what makes sounds different from each other? So this is our main point today. So the pitch and loudness both makes the sounds different from each other, and we will discuss one by one in detail. So the pitch of sound. The pitch of sound tells us how shrill or deep it is, or you can also say that the characteristic which determines the shrillness of a sound is called a pitch. So a sound of low pitch is called a flat sound, but a sound of high pitch is called a sharp or shrill sound. Or you can also say that the pitch of a sound is its characteristic, due to which we are able to distinguish between a shrill, that is the high pitched sound, and a hoarse sound, that is the low pitch. Hear the sound carefully.
Hello.
Hello.
So the sound of woman is shrill, but the sound of man is deep. The pitch of sound depends upon the vibrations of sound in 1 second, that is on its frequency, and you know that frequency measured in hertz. So mean to say a sound of low frequency is flat, but a sound of a high frequency is shrill. So greater the frequency, she will be higher. Look at that from this graph, you will find out that the difference between them. So greater frequency, high pitch, and lower frequency, low pitch. So that is why the voice of girl or woman is shrill, that is of high pitch, because it has high frequency, and the voice of man have low frequency, mean to say low pitch. Pitch of a grown-up man is less than that of a child, and it is a common observation once again that the frequency of woman's voice is more than that of a man's voice. Now take another example, blowing of whistle and sound of cuckoo bird. Look at that. So which of these two has higher frequency and lower frequency? So it is quite simple. I hope you will understand better. So during blowing of whistle, greater number of waves in 1 second are more than that of number of waves produced in 1 second in the case of cuckoo. So the high frequency, high pitch, and low frequency, low pitch. Look at that, fewer number of waves in 1 second, and higher frequency in 1 second. So number of waves in 1 second are higher in the case of blowing of whistle, and the number of waves in 1 second are lower in the case of cuckoo. So lower frequency, low pitch, high frequency, high pitch. We have an activity to show that the pitch of sound increases with the increase in its frequency. So it is very simple activity. A piece of cardboard and a gum we have required. So procedure क्या है? Take a piece of cardboard and slowly rub it against the teeth of a gum. You will hear a sound. Note its pitch. Is it a flat or hoarse sound? Now rub the same cardboard rapidly against the teeth of the gum. What difference do you feel in the pitch of the sound? तो पहले हमने कार्डबोर्ड के साथ जो कॉम्ब है उसको बहुत स्लोली रब करना है, देन यू विल हियर द साउंड, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ साउंड इज प्रोड्यूस्ड आफ्टर दैट. तो आपने शार्पली बहुत रैपिडली अगेंस्ट द टीथ ऑफ दैट गम के अगेंस्ट आपने उसको रब करना है, देन यू विल फाइंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस साउंड। सो हमारी ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या रहेगी, तो यू विल ऑब्जर्व दैट द साउंड इज श्रिल दिस टाइम, दैट इज जब अपने सेकेंड टाइम रैपिडली रब किया था अगेंस्ट द टीथ ऑफ दैट गम, द साउंड की शिलनेस इंक्रीज हो गई थी। बहुत फास्ट आपने इसको रब किया था तो उसकी वाइब्रेशंस इंक्रीज हो गई थी। व्हेन यू रब द कार्डबोर्ड रैपिडली विद द टीथ ऑफ द गम, frequency of vibration increases and it makes the sound shrill. So conclusion क्या है? Thus we concluded that pitch of sound mainly depends upon its frequency of vibrations. Higher the frequency, higher is the pitch of sound produced and sharper is the sound.